You're watching Channel 1, a multilingual channel. Browse through the playlist for your preferred language, and you're watching the gardening series. Hello, good morning. Romulo here. I'm in the beautiful town or beach resort area from my anda, from Tondol Beach Resort. I'm now with this couple, retired school teachers who inspired me to do gardening. Sir and Madam, paki-introduce yourself to our worldwide audience.
Yeah, we are Mr. and Mrs. Artemio C. Domondon of Tondol Anda, Pangasinan. Retired teacher from Tondol Elementary School.
And he was my substitute teacher when I was in grade 3 in another barrio in Carol. And Madam, introduce yourself also.
I am Cecilia Juliet Cadlaon Domondon.
And very tender, loving couple. Obviously, right?
And the sister of the late Pastor Francisco Cadlaon Jr.
And by the way, FYI, footnotes, when the American missionaries came to the Philippines to bring Protestant faith, it's this barrio, Tondol, where one missionary first landed. So this is a very historical place in the history of Protestantism in the Philippines, Tondol Beach. And don't forget, it's a white beach and it's now being touted as the Boracay of the North. But that's not our... but we are in the gardening series of Channel 1. Mr. Domondon and the lovely wife will tour us into their garden. Ready?
My friends, these are collection of bougainvillea flowers, which we have begun collecting last 1968. Up to the present time, we are still collecting some varieties which we do not have in our garden.
1968!
Yeah.
That's the year after I was born. Okay. And let's go to the other area.
I see flowering plants here.
These are also our collection of different varieties of gumamilas.
This is the first time for me to
is
see
the yellow
a
variety,
gumamela.
the violet variety.
Imagine
Yeah.
purple, that's perfect for the pastime pastime in liturgical calendar.
And some others,
Laurel
but
Flowers.
it happened that they are not yet bearing flowers.
Do you know
There
that
are
gumamela?
varieties, different varieties. White double flowers, red double flowers, as well as different kinds of single flowers of gumamilas in our garden.
Okay. And then I remember someone told me, a doctor, that gumamela petals can be used as tea to maintain blood pressure.
Another thing which we knew in our barangay, gumamila flowers also are medicine for boils.
True.
Yeah.
Antiseptic. Okay. Next.
This is our makopa tree.
Pink.
Makopa. That's a fruit tree, by the way. I think I haven't eaten that yet.
The young fruits of our makopa tree.
May pagtutulura sa bali.
This is also
This
our pomelo tree.
look, this is
Always
pomelo.
bearing fruit.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at the joy of Mr.
Not
Domondon's
stopping.
face. And the wife, lovely.
And this pomelo tastes very good. Sweet, juicy, and seedless.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, but I remember my baing Shanang, the wife of Mr. Tranquilino Casis. You remember him in Carol?
I remember that.
In Agoo, they had this pomelo tree. They water it with urine every morning. Half
I
urine, half
remember
water.
My friends, these are also collection of different varieties of laurel flowers.
Do you know that when I went to Myanmar, I bought seeds of laurel? I did not know that you had them. Dumawat ako tana.
Yeah.
Neem seeds. I will tell you later about a special story about the laurel. It's something sentimental for me.
This is the red laurel flower.
Combination in maganda.
And very beautiful.
look!
Yeah, very beautiful. one.
Special variety. Yeah. What I knew was this.
This is light violet in color. And this one also another red variety.
Very
The other one is peach color. These are also collection of different varieties of roses. But sorry, they are not yet bearing flowers this time because of the rain.
ready.
My friends, these are also the mangoes that I have planted during my high school days.
So how old are these bamboos now, sir?
Almost 100 years old.
Oh.
100 years old.
But you're not yet 100 years old. Okay. If you're wondering where Mr. Domondon is getting his fertilizers, it's purely organic from these lovely animals, lovely mammals, one of my favorites. That's another goat here. No, that's a dog. And another here. So it's an ecology. These animals produce the fertilizers for the garden, which our retired school teacher here enjoys. And this is a baby
I
coconut.
also enjoy planting coconut trees.
Yeah, in fact, in this kind of soil, the natural tree. I mean, it's endemic for coconut, but if you notice, Mr. Domondon modify the soil in their area, I think, to be able to grow other crops. Is that true, sir?
Yeah. We have also a lot of marunggay.
Yeah, marunggay or moringa.
Yeah.
Now,
Our national vegetable.
national vegetable.
National vegetable in the Philippines.
And this is the dorm. This is this is the dorm of the goats. Look at that stable for the goats. B&B for goats. Mr. Domondon was just saying that to protect these guavas from the insects, he wrapped them with plastic. Since the plastic also serves as greenhouse, it accelerates the ripening. Something learned for today, Mr. Thank you, Mr. Domondon. This is another interesting foliage. This is kaimito or star apple. Look at the upper side of the leaves. It's green. But let's go under the foliage. Look at that. Brown, light brown. Mr. Domondon is saying here that this is a medicinal plant for UTI, and it's called alyabon in our island. So if Sambong in Tagalog, if you know the name in English or in your language, please respond to this video by commenting in the comment box. We appreciate your feedback. Thank you very much. And Romulo here and Mr. Domondon here and the better half of Tondol. We'd like to thank you for joining us this Holy Tuesday. Mr. Domondon, thank you, and Mom, thank you for showing us your garden. It inspired me at first visit, but it further inspired me today.
Welcome. And thank you so much for appreciating our garden in Tondol.
Yeah. Thank you also for watching, and don't forget Channel 1's cooking series as well. And next we will be cooking at our dirty kitchen with my father. See you soon.